Your daily life could get a lot easier or weirder with AI making your breakfast, folding your clothes, and even suggesting who you should hang out with. Are you ready for a future where AI robots decide what's for dinner, who you date, and maybe even run for president? Sounds crazy, right? But experts are saying it could be closer than we think. AI robots haven't started running the world yet, but they're sneaking into more parts of our lives. Like that robot at the grocery store or the virtual assistant that orders your pizza. Big thinkers like Elon Musk and Professor Stuart Russell say we should keep an eye on AI, or we might end up in a world where AI robots are the boss of us. They fear that if we're not careful, AI could start making important decisions for us, like who gets the last cookie. Don't worry, we're not discussing AI robots ruling over us tomorrow. It's more like they're slowly moving in and getting comfy for the near future. Some folks are worried that if AI gets too smart, it might replace humans. Jobs where things are repetitive, like factory work or data entry, could be the first to go on AI's I'll handle it list. But hold on, when we say taking over, we're not talking about AI robots ruling us like in the movies. Not yet, anyway. Instead, AI robots are quickly becoming our partners in various fields, and experts believe they could soon handle almost everything. AI robots are becoming our new partners. Think of a world where AI robots do your homework, make your dinner, and even help you pick friends. Professor Stuart Russell from UC Berkeley says, AI could control our jobs and social lives in the future. Imagine your toaster telling you, swipe right on the washing machine. It has a good spin. Crazy, but not impossible. Let's talk about our favorite kitchen companion, the ChefBot 3000. Forget reading cookbooks or guessing grandma's recipe written on an old napkin. Now, ChefBot is available with a tap of your finger. Experts have noted that ChefBot offers an interactive experience aimed at making home cooking more manageable. AI in sports, AI robots, changing the game. Say goodbye to fights with human coaches on penalties because AI robots are not to be messed with. AI is also making its way into the playing field. Robot soccer leagues are getting famous in Japan. Soccer is a skill that AI robots are being trained in, and they're getting fairly good at it. A major player in the RoboCup program, Dr.Hiroaki Kitano, thinks that by 2050, robot teams will even be able to compete against human teams. AI can push the boundaries of what we think is possible in sports, the speaker claims. Education revolution. Robot tutors to the rescue. What if each child had a personal robot tutor who provided them with instruction and attention? Possibly by 2025, AI will enable students to not get left behind in their educational needs. By 2025, AI could change education by providing one-on-one tutoring to every student, eliminating the need for classroom learning. Dr. Raj Patel emphasizes the importance of prioritizing human values in AI development, stating that AI could help students succeed in various ways as it becomes more prevalent in classrooms. Robot celebrities, the new superstars of tomorrow. Picture a world where your favorite pop star or actor is a robot. Crazy? AI influencers like Lil Miquela have millions of Instagram followers, and AI robots like Sophia, the humanoid robot, have already made appearances on talk shows. As AI evolves, AI robots could host shows, act in movies, or even become influencers, adds Sophia's creator, David Hansen. But what does this mean for human artists? Will we be ready to share the screen with AI robots? The entertainment industry will never be the same again. That much is certain. Love in the age of AI. Dating is also getting a tech upgrade. AI matchmakers now analyze your interests, preferences, and even social media activities to suggest your perfect match. Imagine a robotic dating coach guiding you through the do's and don'ts of love. Dr. Emily Watson, a social scientist, notes, AI in dating is still new, but it's already reshaping how people connect. The big question: should we be worried? So, should we worry? Not just yet. Experts agree we're not at the stage where AI robots rule us. They still need humans to plug them in and make them work. But as AI continues to grow, we should keep an eye on our chatty toasters and think about how we want our future to look. Jokes aside, what happens next? Imagine asking your AI assistant about the weather, only for it to respond, "Haven't you been paying attention? It's raining, silly human." You know AI is creeping in when your fridge tells you what to eat or your watch reminds you to drink water every hour. To get ready for an AI-filled world, learn some new skills, support fair AI use, and maybe start being nice to your toaster, just in case. Scary? Maybe. Exciting? Absolutely. What do you think about this robot takeover idea? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time.